SDSU has very active programs in winter wheat, spring wheat, and oat breeding. We have extensive efforts going on throughout the state. And once our breeders develop what they think are efficient and productive new varieties that are able to resist diseases that are continuing to evolve, or they develop varieties that have better yield potential or enhanced milling and baking properties for the ultimate consumers of the products. We go through a pretty extensive testing process throughout the state to compare what the yields are compared to current varieties and looking at standability again and disease issues and performance. That testing takes several years. Once we're at the stage where we're comfortable with, yes, we have a new variety that's better than what we've had in the past, we have a team on campus that evaluates those and makes go, no-go decisions on whether we're going to then release those to the public, release those varieties to the public. And that involves our Foundation Seed Unit and the Crop Improvement Association in South Dakota, who work with us to increase the amount of those seeds from bushels up to hundreds of bushels that you need to ultimately sell the seed. So once that decision is made to scale up and commercialize the seed, those varieties are protected through basically a patent process that's called Plant Variety Protection, or PVP. It's similar to if you invented a new widget and you wanted to patent that. It's very similar to that process. And so then those name varieties are protected, and then when we sell those varieties, when we sell them, a license fee or a royalty fee comes back to the university, and then those dollars are split amongst the various parties that are developing the varieties to help us generate additional new varieties in the future. So they help pay for salaries, equipment, all the costs that it takes over a period of 8 to 10 years to develop a new variety. So it's the PVP process and the flow back of those royalties back into the system is really important to maintain a sustainable pipeline of developing new varieties. And so that process is, like I say, very critical, and it's very important that producers, when they buy these new varieties, that they're buying them from reputable dealers that are collecting the royalties and putting them back into the system, so that in the next year or next 5 years or 10 years, we're able to continue developing those new varieties that producers need.